Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the sound of your voice in Capcut. So you can change your own voice by using the sound effects on the voice effect on the Capcut apps, and I'm going to show you how. So first you need to add the audio in your video on Capcut. So I'm going to just click on add audio and then click on record to add your own voice into the video, and then just click on the green or blue button right here to start recording. Oops. Hello guys, so this is just an example. Okay, so just click on the check icon, and then what you need to do next is click on the audio or the voiceover, and you'll find the voice effects option at the bottom. Just click on that, and here you'll see the list of voice effects that you can use to change the sound of your voice in a video. So there is elf, deep.
Hello guys, so this is just an example.
There are also high.
Hello guys, so this is just an example.
Mic
Hello
hog.
guys, so this is just an example.
And there's also echo.
Hello guys, so this is just an example.
And there are so many other options that you can use. So there are 4 categories: basic, funny, and synth, and retro. So you can just choose one of them that fits your need the most. Okay, so when you're done, just click on the check icon and click on the arrow to save the video with your voice in it. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can add voice effect or change the sound of your voice in Capcut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.